Honestly, no. I was infused with work, so I didn't notice until someone complained about it.
Oh, yes, I noticed that. I was just scrolling down and then I went on my WhatsApp. Then I couldn't see anything. I was actually trying to send messages, but they were not going through.
Yeah, I did because I was on Facebook yesterday.
Well, Facebook and Instagram, I was not too worried about. The WhatsApps was more what affected me. Because
Yeah, definitely. I noticed that Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp were down yesterday.
advertising for me, because it drives my business. It's what I do for a living.
I thought like my Facebook account was hacked as well, but then that's everyone has been having problems with their social media platform.
I was very, very much surprised that I had no access to communication with my relatives and some workmates, and especially my business partners.
My reaction was like, what's going on?